Welcome to another Simple Dad Samsung tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to enter into maintenance mode on your Samsung Galaxy phone running Samsung One UI 5. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So maintenance mode is a way of creating a separate user account when you hand in your device to be repaired so they can operate the core functions without being able to access any of your private information. So let me show you how you can set this maintenance mode on your Samsung phone. So first you want to go into settings. Next you want to scroll down until you see battery and device care. Tap on it. Now you want to scroll down again until you see maintenance mode. So go ahead and tap on that. Now have a read. So backing up your data is recommended just in case data is lost while your phone is being repaired. So I would recommend doing this, back up your data. Now once you've backed up your data, go ahead and tap on Turn On. This will now restart your phone to turn on maintenance mode. So to help the support staff analyze any problems with your phone, so go ahead and tap on Restart at the bottom. This will now create a log and will restart your phone. After the restart, your phone will enter into maintenance mode and then you can safely hand over your phone for maintenance. So now once the phone restarts, you'll see this message here at the bottom, switching to maintenance mode. So this will basically create a new user account on your phone. But don't worry, this account will be erased once the maintenance mode is switched off. And now at the bottom here, you'll see maintenance mode, which means this phone is in maintenance mode. So once it's in maintenance mode, you can hand this phone over to the repair person who can repair your phone. So now once the phone is back from the repair shop, you want to exit maintenance mode. So let me show you how to do that. So to exit, you just need to bring down your notification screen, then tap on this button here, tap here to exit maintenance mode. This will now bring up the exit maintenance mode screen. So go ahead and tap on exit. You'll get a message here. Your phone needs to restart to exit maintenance mode. Now, in order to exit maintenance mode, your phone will ask you for your fingerprint or pattern to unlock your phone. So this is a security step which Samsung has introduced so the repair person cannot get to your data. So use your fingerprint. Once it has authenticated your fingerprint, it'll then restart and exit maintenance mode. So let that restart, and once it's restarted, you'll then exit maintenance mode on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And there you go, that is how to enter into maintenance mode on your Samsung Galaxy phone running Samsung One UI 5. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.